Hello, I'm going to show you what to do, how to send me your form, your questionnaire. Right, you need to open this window, the Padlet it is called, and you need to open your questionnaire. I have my questionnaire here. Right, let's start with this, the questionnaire. Once you finish it, click here, send, enviar. Now, link. You can make it short, acortar the link. It's not important. I've done it. So I get the link. I copy the link. It's copied. And now I go to the questionnaire, to this Padlet. And if you click here in this on this plus sign, you have a little window for you. Every one of you will have to do this. So in this little window, can you see this icon? This is link. And I paste my link, my questionnaire. It's loading. It's loading and loading and loading. I'll wait. Finished. I'll publish it. And that's it. That's what I want, please. Don't send me the questionnaires like separately as other tasks. Just send them like this. Plus and add your questionnaire. Thank you.